Warren.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Hapon, sabi nga ni Ms. Taylor at sa muna nating kasamahan dito sa Admiral, ang ating Vice Mayor, ating kung magaganda yung mga nasa kaliwata sa kanan ko. Swerte talaga, napapalimutan ka ng magaganda. Kasi maganda yung syudad ng Maynila. Mr. Bagaji, Vice Chief, at ating host, maganda rin. Ating General Manager, maganda rin. Lahat maganda talaga sa Maynila. Magandang sunset. Look at behind you. The famous sunset of Manila Bay. At napakagandang Admiral Hotel. In spite of all the challenges that we are facing economically, uncertainty in some other things happening in the national government, but we must continue to strive better, survive. Hopefully, in the case of City of Manila, if I may share those our guests, tama-tama, bilisan kong English ko ba ubus na ito. The City of Manila is enjoying growth the past 4 months with regard to new businesses being registered officially in the city on top of what we call underground economy growing in the likes of Ampa, the new 2.0, mas kilala ng millennials, Fusion Alley, same thing in Tondo, same thing in Roseros, same thing in Esplanade. There are so many things happening in the City of Manila nowadays, and I think we're going to be very busy and continue to invest in the Calao, Roas Boulevard, Top Avenue to Vito Cruz, or what we call Ermita Malate area. More to come in the city, and we would like to welcome you on behalf of the people of Manila. Sa lahat ng aming guests, we would like to welcome you to the City of Manila. Sabi nga ng kanta, welcome po kayo sa Manila. Now, I'm here to support the businesses in the city, and I'm very excited. I think ito na yung pinakamahal na Christmas tree ng Ilawang. Napakaganda it's very seldom nowadays that kapis is being used. As you all know, I started doing kapis in my first term, putting up what you call kumukuti-kulita concept at the night time of the City of Manila. And I'm happy to see one again, especially in this beautiful hotel. So today, Admiral Hotel family, rest assured that you have a city government behind you all the way. Muli, sa lahat ng aming bisita, sa mga banyaga, Merry Christmas. Mga kababayan namin, maligayang Pasko. At may awa ang Diyos, there will be a better New Year for each and every one of us in 2026. Magandang gabi. Wala ito ang